Have you ever pondered on the origins of art? Where does creativity commence? It all starts with a simple decision, picking up the right tools. Colors, pens, brushes, chisels, they all play their part in this grand spectacle we call art. But the true hero of this tale? It's the canvas. A canvas so blank, so pure, it holds a universe of possibilities. It's a blank page in the book of creativity, waiting to be written on. It's a stage where colors dance, shapes form, and imagination runs wild. It's a mirror reflecting not just what we see, but what we feel, what we dream. Choosing your tools and facing the blank canvas, it's where the magic begins. It's where we take the first step into the limitless world of art. So, are you ready to dive into this realm? To turn the page to a new chapter of creativity? Dive into the realm of art and turn the page to a new chapter of creativity. Did you know that art is a rainbow, a beautiful sight that allows us to express ourselves with all our might? It's a language that speaks volumes, a universal form of communication that transcends cultural borders and social norms. It's as diverse as the people who create it, offering a kaleidoscope of colors, shapes, and textures to explore. Art is the whispering of the soul, the echo of our deepest thoughts and emotions. From the delicate sketching of lines, capturing the fleeting essence of a moment, to the bold strokes of painting scenes, immortalizing visions in vibrant hues. It's like a dance, a rhythm that flows from our hearts through our hands onto the canvas. Through art, we can celebrate joy, mourn loss, question reality, or dream of a better tomorrow. It's a powerful tool that allows us to say what words sometimes can't. Art truly is the magic in all our dreams, a powerful medium for expression. Have you ever tried to capture a moment with a pencil? Sketching may seem daunting, but it's easier than you might think. It starts with simple shapes, the base for any masterpiece. A circle here, a line there, and gradually these shapes begin to form a recognizable image. Each stroke of your pencil is a journey, an exploration of the canvas. With every line you sketch, you breathe life into the blank page, turning the undefined into something tangible. This is where the magic happens, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. And then come the hues, the colors that bring your sketch to life. Each shade adds depth, character, and emotion to your creation, pushing it closer to the masterpiece it's destined to be. Remember, every stroke, every hue is a piece of the puzzle that is your masterpiece. So embark on your journey in the world of art and make your mark. Are you ready to pick up your brush and make some art? There's a vibrant, colorful world out there waiting for you to add your flair. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. It's all about expression, about letting your feelings take shape on a canvas. So don't hold back. Let your creativity soar. Let your imagination run wild. You belong in this world of colors. You belong in this symphony of creation. Create together, sing your song of art, and leave a colorful mark on the world. Has this journey through the world of art inspired you? If so, don't let this inspiration fade away. Continue to explore, create, and share your masterpieces. Remember, every stroke, every hue contributes to your unique masterpiece. So let's make our mark in this world of art. And don't forget, we're all part of this vibrant, colorful tapestry. If you enjoyed this artistic adventure, do subscribe to our channel and let's continue to explore the world of art together.